recording. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Vacation is still in full swing. We are officially at the beach. We're at the Helcha Beach to be exact. You cannot come to Jamaica and don't come to Helcha and don't eat fish and festival and all that good stuff. So we're actually here, me, Babe, Tyler and Kaylin, and my friend Andrew sitting up there. He carried us. So we're actually here enjoying the beach and we're waiting on our fish and festival, because if you're in Jamaica, you cannot come to the Helcha Beach and have fish and festival. So we ordered our fish and festival as we came in, and we're actually waiting on those right now. Tyler is loving the water. Baby insists on not coming in the water just yet, but I'm sure after he eats, he'll warm up to all that. So we're just here just having a good time, and there's a lot of people on the beach. There's a good amount of people on the beach because school is on break and all that good stuff, so there's a good amount of people out here. So that's what it looks like right now. So yeah, we're just here having a good time. I'm going to let Babe show you my swimsuit and how I officially look in a swimsuit, not covering up my stomach. It's food time. Our festival and fish has arrived. This is what it looks like. The boys over there ready to grub right now. Tyler is already saying thank you. Kaylin is calling me. So we're just gonna hop into the food. You're so cold. Babe, can these come beside me? Just because it's in the camera way. Ah, good. Perfection. Tyler is ready. Okay, dig in.
what you want.
Ben, you my phone in the pocket of this bag. Grub inside. You guys, we finished having lunch. We're all full. The baby's eating lollipop. And the guys here chilling. And the sun is out a little bit, unlike when it wasn't out earlier. It's out, it's shining, it's looking really good. And we're just here having a good time. It's a little bit windy. Not a little, it's actually windy, as you can see. And there's a lot of people just enjoying the beach. Come, Papa. Hey guys, so we actually left the beach. We had so much fun. Yes baby, Tyler didn't even want to leave the water. We're actually stopping by KFC right now to get some lunch for my sister, drop it off at her work, and then we're gonna head home and freshen up and get all this salt and sand off of us. So yeah, we had a super good time. And the food, can I just mention the food? The fishing festival was really yummy and we had a really good time.
My mouth is all salty.
What makes your mouth salty?
The water.
So why were you drinking the water?
I didn't drink because my mouth tasted all cloying.
Alright, we're gonna go home and wash it out, okay? Right?
Blah blah biscuits. Don't forget to put your thumbs up. Nog.
Subscribe!
Subscribe.
Subscribe!
Subscribe. Don't forget to put your thumb up and just kick your auntie out the bed.
You said kick your auntie out the bed? Why are you gonna kick me out the bed?
Because the lady don't have enough footy.
I lay down on your foot?
And don't party with us, baseball girl.
She's so funny, you guys. Yes, baby. My baby calling mama.
No. And we call him funny.
You're not funny.
Funny.
You guys were back home from the beach and it was so good.
And I want to go back to the beach because Auntie don't want me and Tyler to have salty water to drink. She don't know how to climb over gate because she love. Let me tell you something. She love curly hair and she don't love nothing at all. She only love blue room, whatever. Just don't forget to subscribe.
Are you finished?
Okay then. Let me hold it.
You want to hold it?
Yes.
No, it's too heavy for you.
And if you
I
don't
don't
want
want
to
you
watch
to get
us,
hurt.
if you don't want to watch she's the funny girl, she's not going to forget to laugh at you. And she always laughs things. She don't like to catch my hero. And she's bad.
Who is bad?
You!
Why am I bad?
Because you lay down on my foot.
Come, let's do a Q&A. What is your name?
Caring Garden.
How old are you?
3.
What school do you attend? What grade are you in?
Kinder 1.
Yes. What is my name?
Mel.
Mel who?
Melissa.
What is your mother's name?
Shania Johnson.
Take the thing out your mouth. What is your father's name?
Tell them Mr. Garden.
Take. Oh my god, she's so funny. How many aunties do you have?
1.
One? No.
Huh?
Who is that?
Auntie Mel.
It's not just me alone is your auntie.
No.
You have
And-
lots of aunties.
Auntie Mel.
Yes.
Auntie Suzette.
Yes.
Tyler.
No, Tyler is not your auntie. Yeah. Tyler is sitting at my foot being minding his own business. He's just doing his own thing. Tyler, say hello. Say hi.
Kungu.
My niece is so silly. You guys, I can't with her right now. She's full of so much personality. Listen, you guys, I love spending time with her though. Blow them kisses. Blow them kisses. Mwah. And to give Kaylin kisses.
Two tired face.
Kisses.
No, it's not midnight. No, we don't come from a party. We're just tired from the beach.
It's the end of the vlog because we're heading to bed. I'm super tired, so I'm going in early tonight. I need to get some rest. And
I'm going to watch some basketball game on TV.
I'm going to bed because I'm so tired, and I'm gonna put Tyler to bed same time. Hopefully you guys are really enjoying these vacation vlogs. We love you guys. Thank you guys for every single thing, for all the support. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for commenting, for sharing, for giving the thumbs up. Every little bit is appreciated. We love you guys. And we are 1,700 and counting. We love you guys. We appreciate all the love. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Tyler, say bye. Tyler,
Hello.
say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Blow them kisses.
Mwah.
Good boy. Isn't he the cutest princess?
Yes.
Say bye bye.
Later, we're going to bed. Walk on, Bossy. Bye-bye.
What's your Jamaican expression for today? No Jamaican expression?
Well, here Kaylin just give the Jamaican expression. Me a go on my bed. Me a go on my bed simple means I am going to bed. So there you have the Jamaican expression coming from my knees. Say it, babe.
Me a go on me bed.
Right.
That's easy one.
Alright guys, we're just gonna go ahead and call it a night. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you
Subscribe.
guys.
Don't forget to put your thumbs up and walk on head.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.